When I tell you what you're watching, you're probably not going to believe me. I understand this looks weird, but this is incredible. This is from a scientific study that was just published. The researchers wanted to study how other social mammals would interact to finding someone they know unconscious. Just like humans, we kind of have an understanding of the general methodology that we are going to go through. We're going to check on what's going on. We're going to kind of smack them around a little bit, try to wake them up, and then eventually start clearing the airway to try to kind of get to that emergency type response where it's like we know we're at the point where we need to do something serious. And look at this mouse pulling the tongue out of the mouth. The researchers found that repeatedly, when the mice would come across someone they know that had been put under anesthesia and was unconscious, they would go through this cycle of a response. And there was a stronger response when it was a mouse that they knew, kind of pushing some more evidence on the fact that this was I don't know how to explain it other than just to like almost say emotions. Like they felt stronger about the mice they personally knew. They also wanted to try to understand why this happened, and what they found was that there was some interesting stuff going on with oxytocin signaling within the brain, which that's the oxytocin is often called the love chemical. So it's kind of cool to show that something that seems I don't even know if cool is the right word. It's weird to think about how these chemical reactions going on inside our body, inside our brain, lead to things as human as helping someone we love or someone we know when we come across them unconscious. We aren't necessarily trying to get anything out of it, but there's some evolutionary drive. The second article was also published in Innate Drive to Save a Life, and they talk about how this seems to really be a deep evolutionary thing with social mammals. Elephants, dolphins, chimpanzees, they've all shown rescue type behavior, not necessarily this CPR type behavior we're seeing in mice, more like behavior where you're maybe trying to carry someone along, but it shows that caring for others isn't just a human thing. If you want to learn more about that, we are at less than 30 days from the potential TikTok ban. I have been trying to pivot to the other platform with longer content, and I've talked about science news, just recent stuff that's been discovered. One of the big themes has been how we have underappreciated animals for a long time, so this fits right in. If you want to learn more, go check out the others. Go check out my link tree, find me other places, because like I said, that TikTok ban causes some uncertainty.